If you're the kind of person that just likes to live through the same routine, then skip this ad now. But if you're the kind of person who would like to wake up tomorrow and to be able to take your family and friends somewhere wild and explore and have new experiences, then you're going to want to click this link here to get access to some free workshops that are going to show you how my wife and I are creating that freedom. Chances are, if you're anything like me, you'd love to just pack a bag and walk out into the wilderness and live there, but in reality you've got responsibilities to your family and friends that mean that you can't just drop out of society. So chances are you're going to end up in some mediocre job that kind of relates to what you're interested to until you work your way up to the point that you can in a career and settle, and then life's over. What you need is the freedom to be able to choose exactly how and where you spend each day, who you get to spend it with, the environments that are going to bring out the best in you. And to do that, you're going to click this link here and you're going to go on to my webpage. I'm going to ask for your name and email, because what I'm going to send you is some workshops. They're not from me, they're some ones that I'd recommend, but you're also going to get some information about the business that my wife and I run and how it works. And the idea is to inspire you to start something for yourself, not a carbon copy, but something that is uniquely you. Now, in those workshops, you're going to learn about how simple this can be. I make money simply by recommending other people's products, like training, for example. My wife makes money by creating physical products, specifically for kind of young families trying to get outdoors, but she doesn't sit in a shop making them and wait for people to come in and buy them. She automates the process. So you'll learn how that's possible in here. But the most important thing you'll learn in these workshops isn't some business model that's going to make you loads of money. It's about how you can build something that you truly believe in. That you build something that is about helping other people achieve something that you feel is worthwhile. And that opens up huge amounts of possibilities to use multiple business models, because they're automated. You know, once you set them up, they keep going, and you can just keep exploring new ways to have a positive effect on the world. So click this link here, go to my webpage, put your name and email in, and we'll start sending you resources day by day, just to give you an introduction to what this is. And if you're ready to take action on it, then we'll recommend the products and services we think will really help you do that. And that's it, really. You know, if you're like me, if you spent a career trying to find a way to spend time outdoors, but also be with your loved ones, and just never found the balance, and life just feels like it's ticking past, then you need to take action. You need to do something different, something that's outside your comfort zone. And this is it. And you know, this was it for me. Like, an online business was the last thing I thought I'd ever do. Like, I hate computers, but the reality is it's 2 or 3 hours in front of the computer a week, and then the rest of the time doing the things that I love, occasionally making an odd video sharing what I think is valuable to the audience that I've built. So if you'd like to learn more about that, click this link and let's start exploring a new way for you to live the rest of your life.